Welcome, I'm Eli from PB Tech. Hey, I'm Eli from PB Tech, and today we're going to be looking at a new NAS unit from Synology, the DS218 Plus. So everyone knows what an external hard drive is, right? It's a portable hard drive that you can copy data to and then plug into a computer when you need it. And even though these things are getting physically smaller, it's still another thing you have to carry with you that could potentially be damaged, dropped, or lost. A NAS, on the other hand, stays put, while you're free to move around anywhere in the world. So, the name stands for Network Attached Storage, which sums it up quite nicely. This unit here can hold 2 hard drives, either 2.5 or 3.5. And the cool thing about a NAS is this is basically a little computer, which opens up a whole bunch of versatility compared to just adding another drive to your PC. This unit is running a Linux-based operating system called Synology Disk Manager, and you can access this little computer from any web browser on any device. So in the setup, you make an account and password, and now I can use those login details to log in on this device. So, I'll show you how you do it. You can actually just go to Find Synology, and they've got a web assistant that'll search your network and pull up your drive. There it is, so it stores a lot. Let's connect to that. And so now you just type in your login details that you made earlier. Oops, that's not my password. And then we go straight into the unit. So, as you can see, first glance, this operating system looks fairly similar to Windows. You can make documents and move stuff around, but this icon at the top here shows all the applications that you can install onto your unit and turn it basically into a whole host of different tools. You could install an app to keep track of all your security cameras with push notifications and access from anywhere. Or you could download the backup app, and the NAS will automatically back up any important documents or work files over your network. And then if your laptop was ever to have an accident, all your files are still safe and sound inside the NAS that you can access at any time. Another awesome application is Plex. This will allow you to copy video files over to the unit. Plex will automatically find the movie image and metadata, including the cast of the film and biography, and make your movie library accessible to you or your family from any device. You could start a film on your laptop, hit pause, move to the lounge TV, and continue where you left off, all while your significant other is watching another movie on their phone or tablet. Or at least, that's what it claims. So, let's try it out. On the box here, you can see it's got a little sticker here saying 4K transcoding. So live transcoding is basically taking a video in any format and converting that file to another format in real time so it can be viewed on any device, from an Android phone to an Apple tablet to a Chromebook to a decked out Windows gaming PC. The problem is transcoding takes a bit of processing power, especially at 4K, and if your processor isn't fast enough, the video can lag when it's converting the format. This unit comes with a dual-core 2 GHz CPU that can boost up to 2.5. It also has 2 gigs of RAM by default, but by removing one of the bays, you get access to another RAM slot if you want to expand it up to 6 gigs. So I got a 4K video here, so let's try stream this over the network and see how fast it is. So as you can see, we just downloaded the Plex app. We've also got the Plex server on our NAS unit here. So we'll just open this up. And here is the 4K video file from Sony that we're going to try send over the network. And so there we go. So this is transcoding 4K on the fly. And if you can see here, yeah, it's actually buffered quite a bit. Now we did have to wait a little bit for this to get going, but once it starts playing, it seems to be pretty smooth. Yeah, wow. So that works really well, actually. On the front here, you get a couple of status LEDs for your drives. You get a power button and a reset button. And on the back here, you hardwire it into your network. You've also got 2 USB ports down the bottom here. And there's an eSATA port for adding a brainless expansion bay if you want to add more drives to it. Now, if we take off the front here, this is where the hard drives actually sit. So as you can see, we can just open this and put another drive in there. And this here, if you can see it, is where the other RAM slot is. So that's pretty cool. So there we go. It can transcode 4K video. The cool thing is that you can access this from any device. So if you're on your cell phone, your tablet, laptop, TV, anything, you can access this from anywhere in the world. Now, when you first set it up, you can choose whether you want it just accessible from your home network or if you want it accessible globally. So you could be at the coffee shop or something and you can pull up all your files from home and do your work. It's a pretty cool unit. It can transcode 4K video live, which is pretty impressive really for such a small unit. One thing we found out yesterday is we were trying to use the free version of Plex, and we found out that's only using software transcoding, and you have to buy the subscription to enable hardware transcoding, which uses the chip inside this unit. So it's $7.50 New Zealand for a month, or it's like $200 for a lifetime subscription. And I mean, if you have lots of offline media files and movies and stuff, it's definitely worth the money, in my opinion, especially because you can access it from any device. So yeah, if you want to check out this unit, you can head in-store or online at pptech.co.nz. If you like this video, remember to thumbs up and subscribe. I'm Eli for pptech, and catch you next time. Yeah.